Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join WhatsApp business group. All right. There are different types of groups on WhatsApp. Some you'll need to request to join and some you can join right away. Now to join a group, you'll need to ask a group admin to add you to the group or send you an invite link or QR code. Now, once you receive the group invite, you'll then automatically see a message right here that will pop off. Then you'll need to tap on that group and then you'll need to tap on join group. All right. Now, being a member of the group, you can add members too, if that's available in the settings that your admin created. All right. As you can see here, I can add people. All right. Then just hit on the check mark right here and they will be added. Now, if there are group invites from unknown numbers who isn't in your contacts, you'll have to tap on the group itself. All right. Then you're going to want to tap on group info. So you'll be able to see details on what's going on in that particular group. All right. And that's basically how you do it. You can look for groups online when you go to your favorite browser. All right. And just tap on the search bar and look for WhatsApp business group. All right. Tap on it and you'll see a lot of articles right here that you can read and join if you're lucky enough to see what interests you. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.